Ever felt overwhelmed by your finances? Like juggling multiple bank accounts, credit cards, and bills is a full-time job. You're not alone. Millions of people struggle to keep track of their money. But what if there was a magical app that could simplify everything? What if you could see all your finances in one place, easily track your spending, and even save more money? Well, there is. It's called Wave. Now, you might be thinking, another finance app? Really? Trust me, Wave is different. It's not just about tracking your money, it's about giving you control over it. It's about helping you make smarter financial decisions. So, what exactly is Wave? In essence, it's a free online platform that helps individuals and small businesses manage their money. But it's so much more than that. It's a financial hub that brings together your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial information into one easy-to-use dashboard. Imagine having a crystal clear picture of your income and expenses. Wave makes that a reality. With its intuitive interface, you can effortlessly categorize transactions, set budgets, and track your spending habits. No more endless spreadsheets or confusing bank statements. But Wave doesn't stop there. It also offers powerful tools to help you save money. You can automate savings, set financial goals, and even find ways to reduce your expenses. It's like having a personal finance coach right at your fingertips. For small business owners, Wave is a game changer. It simplifies accounting, invoicing, and payroll. You can easily track income and expenses, generate professional invoices, and even pay your employees. It's like having a whole accounting team at your disposal without the hefty price tag. One of the standout features of Wave is its free invoicing tool. You can create stunning invoices in minutes, track payments, and get paid faster. No more chasing clients for overdue payments. Wave also offers free accounting software. It's perfect for small businesses that need to keep track of their finances without breaking the bank. You can easily record transactions, reconcile accounts, and generate financial reports. But let's talk about what really sets Wave apart, its community. The Wave community is filled with entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small business owners who are all on the same journey. You can connect with like-minded people, share tips, and get support. Now, you might be wondering if Wave is safe and secure. Rest assured, Wave takes data security very seriously. Your financial information is protected with the latest encryption technology. So, is Wave the perfect financial tool for everyone? Well, that depends on your needs. If you're looking for a simple, free way to manage your personal finances or run your small business, Wave is definitely worth considering. However, if you need advanced features like investment tracking or tax preparation, you might want to explore other options. To sum it up, Wave is a powerful and user-friendly financial platform that can help you take control of your money. Whether you're an individual looking to save more or a small business owner trying to grow your company, Wave can be a valuable tool. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.